Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. In the last session we have seen the introduction about PHP and today we are going to see the operators in PHP. Okay, let's move on to our today's topic. Okay, today's first topic is operators in PHP. Operator is a simple. Okay, this operator means this is a simple and it is used to perform some logical or mathematical some operations. Okay, in this programming language we have some different types of operators. In this PHP, this is a very important question. Just take your books and read it as soon as you listen this. Okay, we have some operators like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, logical operators, and string operators. Okay. First, let's see about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means, as we know, arithmetic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay. Addition means we all know adding, subtracting, multiplication, dividing, and modulus means when you divide, you will get a remainder, right? If you are taking the remainder, you will take the process as modulus, okay? And assignment means equal to, if you are giving whatever is present in the right side will be assigned to the variable which is in the left side, okay? We have some operations here also. If it is given as x plus is equal to y means x is equal to x plus y. That means the value itself will add to the data or the integer which is present in the right side and it will be assigned to the variable which is in the left side. Okay, x plus is equal to y means x is equal to x plus y. Okay, in the same way for subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus also we have the assignment operator. And then next one is comparison operator. Okay, comparison operator means we have to compare two values. Okay, it may be a string or a integer. String means a collection of characters and integer is a number. Right here the operators are equal, identical. Equal means double equal to. That means equal. If not equal to means exclamatory mark, and equal means it is not equal to. Then identical means triple equal to. If not identical means exclamatory mark and double equal to. For not equal to, we can say another one symbol also, greater than and less than at the same time. If you are putting, it is not equal to. Okay, and then we all know greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, these all will come under comparison operators. Okay, and the next one is increment decrement operators. Increment means plus plus, right? Plus plus x means pre-increment, x plus plus means post increment. Pre-increment means first the value will be incremented and then the incremented value and then the variable will return to its original value. Okay, here post increment means first it will return that value and then it will increment by 1. Okay, in the same way decrement also, minus minus x means it is pre-decrement, x minus minus means it's post decrement. Pre-decrement means first the decrement will be done by 1 and then it will return to the original value. Post decrement means first it will return its value and then it will decrement by 1. Next one is logical operators. Logical operators are and, or, not, XOR. The symbols for and, or, not, XOR are also given in your book. Logical operators. If and operation means if both, it will have two values or two variables. If both are true, the result will be true in AND operation. OR operation means either one, X or Y if you are taking, if any one of the value is true, the result will be true. Not means only one value will be there. If that is not true, the result will be true. If it is true, the result will be false. Okay. XOR means any one can be true, the result will be true. If both are true means the result will be false only. It's only one is true means the result will be true. Okay, and the next last operator is string operator. String means in this string we have two, concatenation and concatenation assignment. Concatenation means we know it is used to merge two. If you are having concatenation, we are using the symbol only dot operator. Okay. If you are having computer application, you have to merge that two text, means you can give computer dot application. Then the result will be concatenation of computer and application. If concatenation assignment means you are assigning one to the other, that means dot equal to. That means we'll get the result as we'll give the operator as computer dot equal to application. That means we'll get the result as appends application to computer. This will be the result. Okay. And we have seen about URL, PHP and all. The glossary section, the definition are given. You have to read that also when you read this chapter. Okay, in the glossary section, they have given PHP, URL and HTTP, web server, web browser, server. These definitions and all they have given. If you read it itself, you will get the idea and you can write the definitions by your own also, or you can just learn this simple sentence and you can write the definitions. Okay, let's see what all we have learned in this chapter. In this chapter, we have seen about the introduction of PHP. We have seen the installation and configuration and the client server architecture. We have seen what single tier architecture, two tier architecture, multi-tier architecture, and we have seen about the server side scripting language, web development concepts, how this PHP script is working, and then we have seen the syntax, and then we have seen the variables in PHP, basic rules for the variable declaration, and then the data type. What are the data types? String, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null, resource, right? And then at last we have seen operators in PHP, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, logical operators, string operators. This all we have seen under operators in PHP, right? So we have come to the end of the fourth chapter and we are going to start the fifth chapter. Fifth chapter is a continuation of this fourth chapter only. We have seen the introduction of PHP. In this fifth chapter, we are going to see functions and array in this PHP. Okay. In this PHP server, in this scripting language, if you see, many complicated problems can be solved using this PHP script. Okay. In this language, first we are going to see about functions in this chapter. Function means a small set of program or a small set of procedure or a small set of instruction can be said as function. Okay. A block of segment in a program that performs a specific operation or a specific task, we'll say that segment as a function. Okay. We can say insert, execute, delete, calculate. If you use this, insert means it will insert a text or a data, right? So this segment performs a separate function. So this is called a function. Okay, a function is a type of subroutine, or we can say it is a type of a procedure in a program. Okay, this function can be executed by a call to function and function that returns any data types, values, or it may be null value also. Okay, and we have three types here. Functions can be divided into three types: user defined, predefined, parameterized. Okay, user defined means user can create our own function. We can write a simple code for a simple operation and we can keep it aside and we can name that function. In a big program, if you need to perform that function, you can just take that function name and you can use it in the main program, right? So this user defined function gives a privilege will allow the user to write own specific operation inside the existing program. Okay, two important steps the programmer has to create for user defined functions are function declaration and function calling. Okay, function declaration means this user defined function declaration will begin with the keyword function. We have to give the keyword function and then we can give the function name. Okay, the syntax for it is function and then function name, and then between the flower bracket we can write the code which has to be executed. Okay, function calling means we will call that function name inside the main program so that that function will be performed in the place where we are calling that function. Okay, this function declaration part will be executed by a call to the function. The programmer has to create the function calling part inside the respective program. Okay, for this the syntax is function name of, and then you have to give this semicolon. Okay, that they have given an example. We have created a function in the name of insert message. That means function insert message of. That means that particular function will be performed in this big program. Okay. And then next one is parameterized function. Parameterized function means record information can be shared between the function declaration and the function calling part inside the program itself. Okay, the parameter is also called as an argument or parameter, we can say. It is like a variable. Okay, this argument are mentioned after the function name and inside the parenthesis. Okay, there is no limit for sending argument, just we have to separate them with the comma only. Okay, when you see this example, you can understand. See, inside this parenthesis, they have given a function, right? First this function, and the function name is school underscore name. And the argument, here they have given only one argument in the first example, which is in your book. Just to see that they have given $s name. In that program, they have only one argument. In the next example, they have given $s name, comma $strength. That means they have included two functions there, two arguments in a single function. Okay, so this parameterized function means we will have one or more than one parameter. Okay, next we are going to see about array in PHP. Okay, array means this stores more than one value of same data type. Okay, this is known as homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous means same data type. We can store more than one value of the same data type can be stored, and we'll say it as an array. Okay, in a single array variable will have more than one value of same data type. Okay, here in this array concept we have three types: indexed array, associative array, multidimensional array. Indexed array, associative array, multidimensional array. Okay, first let's see the syntax for this array. Okay, array means we'll have array variable and then equal to and array. This keyword we have to use. Okay, array of. Inside this bracket, this of only we'll give the values. Okay, this values must be inside double quotes and it must be separated with comma. Okay, the first in the first place the value we'll say it as value at the 0th place, and the second place we'll say it as value at the first position, and then the second position. Okay, one of the most useful aspect of using this array in this PHP is when it is combined with the for each statement. This allows you to quickly loop through an array with a very little code. We can just use the array when you are using for statement. If you use this array without writing a big codes, we can just execute with a single line itself. Okay, next we'll see about indexed array. Okay, indexed arrays means arrays with numeric index for the available values in the array variable. Okay, this contains a key value pair as the user or the developer can use this values using the key. Okay, this array, indexed array means it is numerical index for the available values in the array. Let's see associated array statement. Associated array statement means here they have given as array of key, then value, key value, key value. Each value you have to give the key and the value. Key means specifies the key. It may be a numerical or a string one. Value means it specifies the value. Okay. In the same way, associative array means a key value pair data structure is the key value pair data structure is the associative array. Indexed array means numeric index for the available values in the array variable will contain a key. Okay, key value pair as the user or the developer can take the values and use using the key. And the next one is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array means in a single array it will contain one or more arrays. PHP understands multi-dimensional arrays in 2, 3, 4, 5 and how many levels we need. In PHP we can do the arrays in many dimensionals also. Okay, first let's see the example for Indexed array. Indexed array, here they have given dollar teacher underscore name. That is the array variable. That is the value, and that is the array, and equal to array. That is the array variable and key. Inside the bracket, they have given, inside the double quotes, they have given the values, right? So here the array with numeric index for the available values in array variable, which contains the key value pair as user or the developer. Okay, that is here teacher underscore name. Here we are using the array variable and also the key, and we'll be giving the keyword array and then the value. This is indexed array. In associate array means we'll have the key here first. See the example for the associative array. Key value pair data structure. The data structure will have the key as the valued pair data structure itself. Here they have given $marks. That is the key is equal to array of, inside this bracket they have given what? The values. Student 1, 35. Student 2, 17, equal to greater than 35. That is, they have given the marks and the values inside the bracket, and only the key is given in the initial position, right? And the next one, the last one is multi-dimensional arrays. Multi-dimensional arrays means, as we said, this array can have more than one arrays, right? See this example, in this two-dimensional array, we are giving student is equal to array. Student is the array name, and array, this keyword is used. Inside this array itself, they have given three arrays. Array of, and they have given one name and two values. And the next one again, array, one name and two values. And next one, three arrays they have given in a single array. So this is a multi-dimensional array. Are you clear about this array? We have come to the end of this fifth chapter. We have seen about the functions and arrays in this chapter, and you have seen the basics. You have seen the basics of PHP also, and arrays and this functions portion also. Read it, and this glossary section they have given the clear idea about this full chapter. Okay, the definition of functions: user defined functions, system defined functions, parameterized functions, array, associative array, indexed array, multi-dimensional array. All those definitions they are given in this glossary section itself. Just read the full chapter and then at last read this glossary section also. That's all for today. Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.